that the moon is full and you happen to call. Here I sit and on the telephone, hearing the voice I know a couple of light years ago, heading straight for a fall. Well, I remember your eyes were bluer than robin's eggs. My poetry was lousy, you said. Where are you calling from? A booth in the Midwest. 10 years ago, I brought you some flings. You brought me something. We both know what memories can bring. They bring diamonds and rough. You based on the scene, already a legend. The unwashed phenomenon, the original vagabond, straight into my heart. And then you stayed, temporarily lost at sea. The Madonna was yours for free. It's the girl on the half shell, keep you unharmed. Now I see you standing there